Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. One of the most convenient modern advances in car technology, in my opinion, is the power liftgate. It's so convenient not to have to reach down and yank those things up or push them up when the hydraulic control arms start to get weak, or heaven forbid one of those control arms fails and it ends up smacking you on the back of the head. However, when they fail and the motors stop working, that is very inconvenient because it makes it very difficult to get the lift gates open. We have a 2018 Chevy Tahoe here that's what happened. Customer called and said that the lift gate wasn't opening anymore and they were having a very difficult time physically opening the lift gate by themselves. Brought the vehicle in, tested to make sure we had power at the motor, tested a few of the options, make sure there wasn't a safety feature engaged preventing the lift gate from opening with the power feature. Advised the customer that they needed a new lift gate motor. It's actually in an interesting spot on the Tahoe here. It's up in the top of the door. As you can see from the pictures here, we had to take some trim level panels off and to get the motor out. So if you have a vehicle with a power liftgate that isn't operating the way you think it should, or maybe it seems a little slow, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to take a look at it. That's one of the many things that we do offer here at 3D Auto Repair. If you have an issue like that and you'd like to get it checked out, we do offer free estimates. My name is Dan. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.